In a quiet little garden, let's take a dip, where stories and words flow from our lip. Adventure is calling, so let's get a grip. Join us now. Don't let this chance slip. There once was a bee who loved to sip from flowers so sweet, he never let it rip. Along came a bird with a colorful clip. Together they'd flutter, never to trip. One sunny day, they saw a big ship. With sails so tall, they gave it a flip. They watched in awe as it started to zip across the blue sea, making quite a strip. The bee and the bird found a little chip on the garden path near a flower's tip. They called their friend, the wise old pip, who joined their adventure with a happy quip. As the sun set low, they saw the dew drip from leaves and petals in a gentle slip. Together they laughed, each friendship a blip. In the grand tale of life, a joyous trip. So join us again where friendships equip our hearts with joy on every fun trip. From dip to slip and every little zip, our word family grows with each rhyming sip. Here are the words to learn from the poem. Dip, lip, rip, sip, tip, zip, chip, clip, drip, flip, grip, chip, slip, strip, trip.